Are you looking for a simple, beginner-friendly trading strategy you can rely on? The one that can be responsible for huge gains in your account in 2023? Well, we have something very special for you today. The trading strategy we're about to present to you in this video works extremely well on the crypto and forex markets. It shows excellent results on lower time frames, making it suitable for day traders and scalpers. Traders, before we start, please spend 1 second of your time and like this video. By doing so, you greatly contribute to our diligent work. So, without wasting time, let's proceed to building the setup step by step. As an example, we're going to use the price of Bitcoin on a 1-minute time frame. The setup includes 3 free TradingView indicators. We will explain in detail how they work and what settings to use as we install them on the chart. So, in order to add the first study, click on the Indicators tab and search for 10 and 1 different moving averages. Select this indicator created by Himanshu. The following step is to access the indicator settings and in the Inputs section enable the second MA. Change its type from SMA to EMA as well as the length from 1 to 50. Then head over to the Style section and change the colors for MAs. After you've finished with the settings, the chart should look like this. The exponential moving averages you see on the chart will determine the long-term trend direction. If the price breaks above the EMAs and the 50 EMA crosses the 200 EMA to the upside, the uptrend is confirmed. During the uptrend, only long positions can be taken. When the price breaks below the moving averages and the 50 EMA crosses the 200 EMA to the downside, the downtrend is confirmed. Make sure to only take short positions during this time. Okay, since we have learned how to identify trends in the market, let's apply the next indicator to the chart. Click on the Indicators menu and in the Search tab type Pivot Point Supertrend. The one that you're looking for is this one created by Lonesome the Blue. Keep the settings of this tool on default. We will use the Pivot Point Supertrend as the first confirmation indicator in our strategy. Based on these buy and sell signals, we will place orders if the rest of the conditions are met. For example, as we mentioned previously, a buy signal is only valid when the market is in an uptrend. The opposite is true for short entries. This way the signals given by the Supertrend dramatically increase in quality. However, such a strategy wouldn't be complete without the third piece, which is a volume indicator. There are dozens of volume indicators out there. The one that is highly recommended for this strategy is Heatmap Volume by XDCow. Please pay very close attention to the adjustment of the settings. Make sure you change the extra high volume threshold to 3, the high volume threshold to 1.5 and the medium threshold to 0.2. This indicator colors the volume bars and candles according to the volume traded. Extra high volume is colored in red. High and medium volumes are colored in orange and yellow. Low volume bars have light blue and blue colors. Volume is important as it shows how active market participants are during a specific time period. In our opinion, the most advantageous time to trade is when the volume level is medium and high. As you can see, when the level of volume is low, the price usually moves sideways. Participants in the market aren't sure whether the price will rise or fall. If you decide to enter the market at this time, there is a high chance that your position will result in a loss. The same is true when the volume on the market is extra high. Spikes in volume usually create imbalances in the market, which results in chaotic price action. You should avoid trading during this time as well. Based on the information we have learned so far, let's now understand the exact rules for taking long and short trades. So for a buy signal, make sure the following is met. First, the price is closed higher than the moving averages. Second, the 50 EMA is above the 200 EMA. Third, the Pivot Point Supertrend gives a new buy signal. Fourth, at the time the signal is issued, the volume bar should be colored orange or yellow. If the conditions are met, place a buy order at the close of the trigger candlestick. The stop loss will be set slightly below the 50 EMA, which is the yellow line. For take profit, target at least 2 times the risk, with the adjustment of the stop loss to the break-even level as soon as the market reaches 1-to-1 risk reward. Here are a couple more examples of valid buy signals. As you can see, all the conditions were met. Do the opposite for short trades. First, wait for Supertrend to issue a new signal to sell. Second, at the time the label is printed, the price must be closed below the EMAs. Third, the 50 EMA must be below the 200 EMA. Lastly, the volume bar should be colored either orange or yellow. When the requirements for a short entry are met, place a sell order at the close of the price bar. Set the stop loss above the 50 EMA. Do the same thing for take profit as you would for long trades. You can even exit a trade as soon as the price touches the 50 EMA. Just keep in mind you can only exit a position that is running in profit. With this money management in place, some trades can give you a risk-reward ratio of 20-to-1, which is truly unbelievable. We tested this strategy on the price of Bitcoin on the 1-minute time frame. For the past 6 days, the strategy generated 17 wins and only 2 losses. This is a win ratio of almost 90%. If you had risked 5% of your account on each trade with a risk-reward ratio of 1-to-2, you would have made over 100% in profit in under a week. This is after fees. We also tested this strategy on the price of Ethereum. In a short period of time, it generated 12 valid trade entries, 11 of which were winners. So that's another 70 to 80% gain on your account. You can use this strategy in different markets as well. It is effective for 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15-minute timeframes. Make sure to backtest and forward test it on a demo account before using it on the live market. Traders, I hope you enjoy this amazing strategy. As a bonus, let us show you how to create trade alerts for these buy and sell signals. First, click on the alert button at the top. Then select the pivot point Supertrend indicator. You can create alerts for buy, sell, or both. Also make sure you set the alert once per bar close.